Hello everyone, welcome to Gochi Academy's Creative Art for Kids. So in this series, we are going to explore more exciting, fun and creative art activities for children. So I am Meenatchi Gopal, British Indian contemporary artist and a founder of Gochi Academy of Creative Arts UK, and I've been teaching this creative arts to children for more than 3 years right now. And I thought, why not I share this activities with all of the children around the world. So different form of activities, and it is going to help your children to concentrate, to have some time for themselves and to have a better mental health at this point in time. So let's go and check out what I'm going to do today. It's going to be a very simple and very fun activity. I have tested with all of my children. They loved it, and I'm sure your children will love it too. So it's going to be a very simple activity which needs a piece of foam sheet, a pencil and some acrylic color and a brush. And you can do this amazing piece of art for your beautiful home wall. Let's go and check it out. Let's get started, and I have a 2 mm foam sheet. You can choose your size. And I have white sheet and color sheet, so you can see the difference between how a print looks on a colored background and a white background. I use this cling film because it is very easy to dispose and it is very easy to clean, and also I have a couple of acrylic colors here. And usually people use roller, but I will be using the flat brush because everyone will have a flat brush at home. So I have the flat brush. And I have made few patterns here, and I have an empty one as well. So I will be letting you know how hard you need to work on this. So I'm going to make a very simple pattern using this pencil. So the pencil should not be really very sharp. It can be little blunt, and I'm making this really very simple circle. And don't push really hard that it could tear the sheet. It can be, just give a little bit of push, just like this, and the circle is done. So if you just touch, you can actually feel the lines that you have made, which means you're ready to go for print. So colors, taking too much of color or taking a very little color is not going to work out, because very little color, it's going to dry very soon. More color, it is going to give you a different impression. So apply a thin layer, more than a thin layer, which will not dry very fast. Just apply all over. And it's ready to go for the print. So don't move the foam sheet, just give a little pressure on top of it, and you can take it out very smoothly. Ta-da! It's a beautiful pattern. So you can use this pattern with lots of different color backgrounds, and I'm going to use this other piece so you will know how the different size of sheet works on this. So I would say every single print, if you have a background, it is going to come up, it is going to look really very beautiful. But right now I'm just going to show very simple initial process. I will be sharing more printing videos, more printing techniques in my future videos. So I have applied this beautiful vibrant color all over, and I am going to make it really very smooth. So even applying the colors might give you a little pattern. So let's see what kind of a pattern this is going to give. Wow, this is really fantastic. So you can give a proper background and do a proper art. If you want, you can use different textures. If you want, you can use the different diagrams. You can draw anything that comes in your mind and just give a little bit of background and do this print, and it's going to look a beautiful piece on your wall. So I'm just going to show how it is going to look in a different colored sheet. So this is one of the old work one of my student did. I usually don't throw that because I love keeping all of them. Sometimes they might ask me, they want to repeat the same pattern. So I always keep this, and I thought I can use one of my child's foam sheet because I love this pattern. See, if you see, these are really very simple lines, but the printing actually it makes really very beautiful. It's a very simple process. The kids enjoys it, applying the colors and taking a print. So make sure if it is a bigger sheet, make sure you apply the colors really very fast and not really very thin. So let's just see how it's going to come out. I usually like printing on a colored paper because that's actually gives a beautiful look. Am I right? Look how beautiful this work looks. It's a very simple 1 minute work, but end of the day you have a beautiful art piece in your house. Your child is going to enjoy this so much, I'm sure, because all of my children in my academy enjoyed this activity a lot. So you can explore more different styles, more different colored sheets, or you can do your own background. Try this out today and just have lots of fun. Explore with different colors. Try giving multiple colors. I'll be giving more techniques in my future videos. So thank you everyone. I think the video was very exciting, and get your kids, explore all these activities right now, and I will be sharing so many exciting art activities in all my upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel and make sure you click on that bell button to get the notification whenever I get the videos out, so you can keep your children sit in front of your laptop and they will be having lots and lots of fun, guaranteed. So thank you very much from Meenatchi Gopal. Till the next video. Thank you.